This video is going to show how to create fillets to reinforce connections and prevent any signal failures in OrCAD PCB Designer. Open the provided design in PCB Designer Professional. Select Route, Gloss, Parameters from the menu. Deselect all options under Run. Check Fillet and Tapered Trace. Select the Options button for Fillet and Tapered Trace to open the Options window. Under Fillet Options, set the fillet object to All. This defines which objects fillets will be added to. Set the desired and maximum angles to 90. These values specify the angle created by the generated fillet shapes. Set the max offset to 0.635 mm or 25 mils. Set the minimum line width to 0.076 mm or 3 mils. Lastly, set the maximum line width to 0.635 mm or 25 mils. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Select Gloss in the Glossing Controller window to start glossing. When glossing finishes, zoom in on a set of mounting holes. Fillets have been added to the traces. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.